Hey everyone, Sophia here, My Great Challenger. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with Mom.
Hello.
And today we are doing an Amish recipe. Why? Because when I went to Amish County a couple of weeks ago, I purchased homemade chow chow. And Mom absolutely fell in love with it.
Yes.
J'aime ça. She loves it. She even keeps the juice. So I told her, if you like chow chow, wait until you try the Amish 3-bean salad. And she said she wanted to try it. So guess what we're making today? Amish 3-bean salad. Let me show you the ingredients and then we're gonna get started. It takes literally 10 minutes. Here are the ingredients for the Amish 3-bean salad. You're gonna need a green bell pepper, 1 red onion, the equivalent of 2 cups of diced celery, 1 pound of cut green beans drained, 1 pound of kidney beans drained, 1 pound of cut wax beans drained, and a pound is basically 1 can plus 2 ounces. You need nutmeg, black pepper, salt, sugar, apple cider vinegar, and oil. They use vegetable oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil instead. And let me start with dicing my celery. And again, you need 2 cups of diced celery. And for the red onion, you just need a 1/2 cup of diced red onion. Same thing with green pepper. We're going to get a 1/2 cup of diced green pepper. If you prefer a sweeter pepper, you can take the red one or yellow or orange. The green one tends to be a little bit more bitter. And that is it for fresh vegetables. Next step is draining all of the canned vegetables. So now it says drain, it doesn't say rinse. So we're just going to drain them. And again, you need a pound. So a pound is going to be 1 can plus, let's say, about a 1/2 of another one. A fork will do, because I don't want to lose the juice. Okay, that's just about it. And this goes into the fridge for something else. Doing the same thing with the kidney beans, except those I am going to rinse a little bit because they tend to have some kind of gooey texture around them. I'm not a fan.
Dès que tu as fait le trou, tu arrêtes. Voilà.
And a little bit from the other one. That's enough. And in the bowl it goes.
Comme une salade, quoi, c'est ça?
Yep. So Mom was concerned that I don't have any jars to put them in, and I reminded her that this particular recipe is a fresh one to go. This is not a long shelf life recipe. If you want to do the long shelf one, you would have to get the boiled vinegar and pour it over it, close the lid, and do a seal, basically. And in the bowl it goes. Okay, Mom's gonna mix it.
On va manger pendant plusieurs jours.
Now we add the bell pepper, the onions, and the celery.
Jolie couleur en tout cas.
Alright, all we gotta do is the sauce or seasoning. Alright, so for the dressing, you need a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Yes, you can use white vinegar if you prefer. So here's half a cup. 2 tablespoons of oil, and again I'm using olive oil, but that's only because I don't want to use vegetable. But if you prefer canola, you can use canola or vegetable oil. Salt is a half a teaspoon.
Enfin, les conserves sont déjà salées.
Nutmeg, you need a full teaspoon. So here's half. Here's another half. Pepper, you need 1/8 of a teaspoon.
C'est tout?
And here goes, 1/4 of a cup of sugar. You can use brown sugar if you prefer. I'm gonna give this a good mix. So I'm just gonna pour it a little bit, and then Mom's gonna start stirring. Oui, oui.
On n'aurait pas dû tourner avant parce qu'on abîme les légumes là.
So now all you have to do is cover it, and it goes into the fridge for at least an hour. You can keep this in your fridge up to 5 days. Alright, so c'était facile à faire?
Ah oui. Oui.
C'est facile, hein?
Oui.
Okay. So you see, it's super easy. It's in the fridge. It's going to be in the fridge for an hour. The longer, the more macerating it goes on, so you get really like a lot of flavor. If you eat it right away, you're gonna get too much of the separated ingredients in it. What you want is kind of a uniform taste to it. I personally love it better than chow chow, and this is really good. So we come back in 1 hour and we're gonna try it. Let's try this.
C'est bon, c'est frais. C'est très Amish.
I love this. This is so good. And it's healthy too.
L'intérêt, c'est qu'il y a des protéines végétales avec les haricots. Et qu'est-ce que tu as mis encore?
Ouais, c'est tout comme protéines végétales. Tu préfères l'autre?
Oui. Nettement, oui. Ah, il a aussi.
She likes the chow chow better. Can't believe it. See, I like this better. Chow chow for me has got just too much.
Ça, je peux le faire chez moi, sans être Amish.
I think this is so good.
Ça, c'est différent.
Bon, alors tu veux qu'on apprenne à faire le chow chow?
Comment?
Tu veux apprendre à faire l'autre?
Oui, j'aimerais bien apprendre à faire ça, parce que ça, vraiment, ça l'est.
Alright. She's not liking it as much as I do. She still likes the chow chow better. This one is from Country Kitchens. And so I guess we're gonna make chow chow next. Et ben ce week-end on fait du chow chow.
Oui.
On va apprendre à le faire. I think this is delicious. And you know what? It's not overpowering in terms of the dressing. You just get a hint of it. And you still can taste all the vegetables. The chow chow, to me, I really like it, but it's the same taste on everything. You can't really, it's all about the flavor more than anything else. This is a salad. I love it.
Tu aimes ça?
J'adore ça.
C'est très bon. Je crois que c'est le sucre qui change des salades de légumes qu'on fait. Ajouter du sucre, ça adoucit. Alors, ça y est, tu filmes.
Let's try this.
C'est bon, c'est frais. L'acidité du vinaigre, c'est agréable.
Hey, do you want to try this?
Sure. What is it?
Amish free bean salad.
Okay. Imagine there's many beans.
Yeah. Haha. Oh man, I could just like sit in front of that bowl and finish it. Hold on, I gotta move the camera because somebody's 6'5".
3, I think.
Tu aimes?
Yeah.
Did you taste the healthy in it?
I taste the vinegar.
Yeah, but the healthy part of it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh man. Alright, I'm having a second serving. Yeah, you definitely gotta stir it before you serve it. Because once you stir it, you really get more of the taste. I love it.
Oui, la sauce est toujours bonne.
Alright, she's not impressed. I'll get her a recipe for chow chow. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. You gotta make this. This is really good. Find me on Facebook and Instagram at My Great Challenge. Subscribe right here in the corner and hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, bye.